Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you the simplest way to reset a password in your MetaMask. Let's begin. So first of all, you need to log into your MetaMask app. You can do this on your smartphones or you can simply do this in your computers as well. So, why do you think like MetaMask is so popular, guys? For me, I think it's because of its simplicity and availability across devices. You can do this in, Apple devices or even Android devices. And, the integration with Exchange and, their connection with NFT websites. Like I play my NFT games through MetaMask. I have been using MetaMask for a lot, like of NFT games. And they support thousands of tokens across multiple blockchains. That's why it's so popular. Now, make sure that you secure your MetaMask wallet because there's a lot of hackers and scammers out there, so please be very careful. Right now I'm just going to show you where to reset your password in MetaMask. So what you need to do is if you successfully log in, upper left portion of the page or of the screen, click on that, and then when you get to see here, go to settings and then choose security and privacy. And then from there, you could already see choices here where you could, either reveal secret recovery phrase or you can change your password. So if you tap on that, this is where you need to confirm your password. So whatever existing password that you have, you just need to put in there. When you hit confirm, it will lead you to another page wherein you could put and reconfirm your new password. And of course, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just simply showing you how it's done and where you should go. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel and then leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.